how to join Grow a Garden Discord server. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to join the Grow a Garden Discord server in Roblox. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open up your Roblox. Now minimize it or close it for a moment and open up your Discord. Once you're on Discord, look at the left-hand side and click on the plus icon that says Add a Server. Next, click on Join a Server. Here, you'll see a box where it asks for an invite link. Type in the link like this: https://discord.gg/growagarden. Make sure it's spelled correctly and then click Join Server. And that's it. You're now in the official Grow a Garden server. Inside, you'll see different channels for announcements, updates, leaks, roles, and more. Now a quick tip: this server is growing fast and it may get full soon. If it says the server is full when you try to join, don't worry. Just try again later, check back every few hours. People may leave, opening up new spots for you to join. So try to join as soon as possible before it fills up again. That's all for the video. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.